Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about something important, that is why some people are still planning to stay on Windows 10 even after Microsoft ends support. So the first reason is stability. Windows 10 has been around for years and most of the bugs are already ironed out. For many users, it just works. Windows 11 still faces issues with updates, performance drops, and compatibility, especially in older machines. The second thing is hardware requirements. Not everyone wants to buy a new PC just to run Windows 11. Windows 10 can run smoothly on older devices, while Windows 11 demands TPM 2.0 and newer CPUs. So, sticking with Windows 10 means avoiding any expensive upgrades. The third reason can be software compatibility. Some legacy apps and business tools work better on Windows 10, so moving to Windows 11 might break the workflows or force the companies to pay for the new software. The next reason that I would like to mention is the user preferences. So many people simply prefer the familiar design and the layout of the Windows 10. They don't like the centered taskbar and the new right click menu or the changes in the Windows 11. So comfort and productivity also matters more than the shiny features. Finally, the reason that I would like to mention is extended security options. Even after the social support ends, Microsoft usually offers paid extended updates for businesses. Plus, good antivirus software and safe browsing habits can still keep Windows 10 usable for the casual users. So, in my opinion, these are some of the reasons why people would want to use Windows 10 even after the support ends. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.